Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A41. So let's have a look what's inside. First of all, I have to remove the label here. Okay, then let's open it. Then we have here, first of all, of course, the phone, the Samsung Galaxy A41. And I have it here in black with the triple cam and so on. And let's have a look for the cables. So we have here a USB Type-C charging cable also to transfer the data. And so very important if you want to buy also a second one, USB Type-C. Then we have here a power charging adapter, which one supports fast charging. And we have here a headset as well with the audio jack, what is also very nice because you don't need an adapter to use a headset. Okay, let's have a look about the instructions. They are here on that place. Here we have the pin to remove the SIM card, and we have here some instructions, but there are also just a few, as it's just a quick start guide in some languages, just how to insert a SIM card and so on. Yeah, that was our quick unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy A41. I hope I could help you with this video, that you know now what's included. And yeah, maybe if you like it, you can leave me a thumbs up or give me a nice comment. Would be very nice because you really help my videos with. Thank you so much. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in them. Just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time, because I will do some more videos for the A41.